Hello YouTubians and my fellow hobby modelers. So today we want to hinge that little thing. We want to hinge the hood and we want to hinge the doors. First we have to open the firewall to get the hinges in. If you want to have more details about hinging, please also go ahead and check out the playlist tips and tricks. We have plenty of tutorials over there. After we figured out the right angle for the right bend for the wires, we were ready to gluing in the rods. And of course the same system works for the doors as well. And after we glued in those plastic rods to fix it, this is your functioning door. The kit also comes with a functioning spare tire which you can open and close, so you could put it out. I think that was really cool, so we're mounting that. The SIL 131 is really not one of those show trucks. Now that truck is really built for going in the dirt and do hard work. That shows the way they have this easy access to the spare tire. But let's move on. So now mounting on the front fenders. And on top, the little cabin. Mounting the bed was really straightforward. I really like the fact that they have those seats that you could fold up and down, whether or not you had like more or less passengers or soldiers on the back of the truck. But yeah, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Stay safe. I'll see you tomorrow.